In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill same text in PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. We're going to set up a PDF so that when you type in one text field, the same text automatically appears in other matching fields, perfect for names, IDs, or any repeated information. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once your PDF is open, look to the upper left and choose All Tools. From the Tools panel, select Prepare a Form. Acrobat may prompt you to confirm the current document or detect fields. Simply click OK to proceed. This puts you into form editing mode where you can create and manage interactive fields. Now add your text fields. From the Prepare Form toolbar, select the Text Field tool, then drag and drop a text field onto every spot where you want the repeated value to appear. You can resize and position each field as needed. If your cursor is still in placement mode, click the Select tool to switch to selection so you can fine-tune alignment and spacing. Next, open a field's properties. Double-click the text field you just created to bring up its settings. Here's the key to autofilling. In the name box, give this field a clear, consistent name, something like customer name. Then, for every other field that should mirror the same text, make sure the name is identical. The names must match exactly, character for character, including any spaces or capitalization. Acrobat treats fields with the same name as a single logical field, so entering text in one will instantly populate the others. If you already place multiple fields, you can rename them one by double-clicking each field, or by selecting them in the right side fields list and editing the name. A quick tip: avoid trailing spaces and invisible characters. Even a small mismatch will prevent syncing. If the text could run long, you can enable multi-line in the Fields Options tab so it wraps neatly. When you're ready, test the form. Click Preview in the toolbar or exit. Prepare Form mode. Click into one of your named fields, type a sample value, and you should see it appear automatically in every other field that shares the same name. If it doesn't, return to Prepare Form, double-check that all the target fields are text fields and that their names are perfectly identical. That's it. With matching field names, Acrobat Pro handles the autofill for you, saving time and ensuring consistent art across your form.